7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video we're taking a look at general crypto market. We have a red day in the markets today. Bitcoin is tanking. The altcoins are down with Bitcoin. In the top 100 coins, a lot of them are in losses. In this video we're looking at the general cryptocurrency market. Guys, the market is still in extreme fear. We'll be talking about that. Guys, we're looking at top stories happening with Bitcoin. We're also looking at the Bitcoin price chart, and we're looking at Ethereum's price chart. Guys, Ethereum just broke key support. We're looking at the US dollar currency index. Also, we'll be looking at Bitcoin dominance and some other metrics. We'll also be talking about the happenings around the crypto world and more. But first, if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications to get notified anytime I drop a new video. Let's get down to business. Guys, the market is red today. The market is dumping. Our inflation figures were out. I don't know. The market just started dumping after that. It looks as if any news we hear right now, the market goes down with that news. In the top 10 cryptocurrency by market capitalization in the last 24 hours, guys, we have no change in the top 10. Still at number 1, we have Bitcoin. Bitcoin is still stable. Bitcoin is currently trading for $28,600. At number 2, we have Ethereum going for $1,500. Guys, Ethereum was going for $1,900 just 2 days ago. We're looking at Ethereum's price charts very soon. USDT and USDC, number 3 and number 4. The stable coins, number 5, we have BNB. BNB is down to $272. At number 6, we have Cardano ADA 0.5. At number 7, we have Binance USD. Number 8, we have XRP. Number 9, we have Solana. And number 10, we have Dogecoin. Those are the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization in the last 24 hours. The global crypto market cap is at $1.14 trillion. That's a 3.89 decrease over the last 24 hours. Guys, Bitcoin dominance currently at 47.56%. We'll be looking at the Bitcoin dominance chart. Guys, the market is in extreme fear. We've been in extreme fear for a period of time right now. Like a lot of people are calling for this index to be recalibrated, because if we've been in extreme fear for this long, at some point in time we should go to maybe panic or something, because it seems we have been dwelling in fear. But guys, this is when billionaires are made. This is when you will know who is in for the long haul. Because guys, you can see from the 13th of May to the 11th of June, we are actually been in extreme fear. I've not even gotten any value as high as 20 on the fear and greed index. We're in deep fear right now. Bitcoin all-cause sell-off on record high inflation, but traders expect Bitcoin to consolidate. Guys, inflation figures came out and we heard that the inflation is 8.8% year-on-year increase, and that's the highest it has been since 1981. Guess what? The dollar started increasing in value, and anytime the dollar is increasing in value, then you know that risk on assets are dumping. Stock market started dumping. Bitcoin started dumping. Bitcoin is below 30k. Let's look at the US dollar currency index right now. Guys, we actually thought the dollar would be dumping. We've been talking about it on the channel, how we want to see the dollar dump, because anytime the dollar is dumping, it's good for crypto and the stock market. And the crypto and the stock market are correlated. So if stock market is pumping, crypto is pumping. Right now, the dollar is pumping and is actually entering new highs. In 2020 May, when Bitcoin got to as low as $4,000, where the dollar was right now, we have pumped above that level. We are setting new highs. The last time the dollar was this high was probably in 2007, 2008. Guys, do you think the dollar is setting new highs, or do you think the dollar is just trying to fake people out and the market to pump very soon? Bitcoin price touching lowest weekly close since 2020 as inflation spooks market. Do you think, guys, the market is just getting panic? Drop your thoughts in the comment section. Or do you think this is just the normal course of happenings in the bear market? Bitcoin was going to dump eventually, so no matter what happened, whether the inflation figures was high or not, the market would have still dumped, guys, because when we're in the bear market, people find reasons to just sell. When we're in the bull market, you can have the most basic, non-consequential news will pump the market. But when we're in the bear market, people are just panicking. People are looking for a reason to panic. And right now, there's panic in the market. Bitcoin is still ranging, but Bitcoin has broken to new lows. You can see that we're below the lows where we set in May 2021, when the market crashed and we had a mini bear market in 2021 before we went for the final leg of the bull run in November 2021. Right now, we're below that region. Right now, Bitcoin is trading for 28,600. And Bitcoin has been ranging. Yes, we have not broken 28,000, but guys, after 28,000, the next logical support for Bitcoin will probably be around 24,000. If 24,000 doesn't hold, then we're going to 19,000. I don't think 19,000 might hold. We might get a bounce in 19,000 just because 19,000 the previous all-time high. And worst case scenario, guys, Bitcoin might come to 14k. You might be wondering, why am I saying Bitcoin might come to 14k, guys? In the previous Bitcoin bear market, Bitcoin dropped over 80 something percent. So 14k is just around 79% for Bitcoin. If we're going to be really technical about it, Bitcoin can drop to as low as $12,000. Guys, you think this is just hopium? Because from where we are right now, Bitcoin just needs to drop around 60% for us to get to around $12,000. Bitcoin is $28,000 right now. For Bitcoin to drop to around $12,000, Bitcoin just needs to drop 55%. And if we remember in 2018, before Bitcoin found its bottom in the market, the final dip Bitcoin had was a 52% dip. And then the market was ranging before Bitcoin finally had that dip. Is that what is happening right now? Only time will tell. Because why, guys? Ethereum is actually dumping at a faster pace than Bitcoin. When Bitcoin season, we're looking at the Bitcoin dominance chart very, very soon. But guys, when Bitcoin season and Ethereum just confirmed it right now, and Ethereum broke below this lows is set in July 2021. That's around the $1,700 region. We're hoping to hold. Right now, the next logical support for Ethereum, if Ethereum doesn't hold 1,500, is around 1,300, which is around the previous all-time high. The all-time high for Ethereum in 2018 was $1,396, and that's the next logical support for Ethereum. That's equivalent to like Bitcoin coming to 20k. Guys, do you think Ethereum will end up below 1,400? Ethereum coming down to as low as 800, only time we tell right now, but Ethereum is actually dumping harder than Bitcoin. The altcoin market is following Ethereum, dumping very hard. You can see right here the market is down. Even Bitcoin is down, but Bitcoin is just down 1%. So that's why we're in Bitcoin season. Guys, that's why I've been telling you guys, be careful with the altcoins during Bitcoin season. This is Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance is going to the moon. Right now, Bitcoin dominance has gone to as high as 48%. It might go as high as 60%. And what this means for altcoins means altcoins will not outperform Bitcoin in the short term. Yes, many people have been waiting for alt season, but alt season has come and it has gone. Right now, we're in the face of the market where we're going through a cleansing period. The market is dumping, Bitcoin is dumping. We're shedding all the projects that were just hype. Right now, only solid projects are going to survive the bear market. Guys, still on the Terra Luna situation, the Quan alleged 80 million withdrawals before Terra fallout triggers mixed reaction. What do you guys think about that? And news reaching us that the Quan was actually withdrawing $80 million from Terra Luna before the whole UST collapse. What do you think about that? Do you think it feels jail time? Or do you think the past is in the past? Remember, they launched a new blockchain, Terra 2.0. Do you think it will survive? The top gainers and the top losers in the last 24 hours. In the top gainers, we just have OKB, and OKB is up 3%. We have other stable coins. After that, almost all the coins in the top 100 are losers. HNT is down 14%. Chainlink is down 13%. Covex Finance is down 13%, CovDAO is down 11%, and Wave is down 10%. Those are the huge losers in the last 24 hours. And guys, just as expected, you'll be expecting negative news at the bottom of the market. Right now, Axis Infinity price rigged deeper losses despite 90% drawdown. Axis Infinity is down 90% from the all-time high. They're still expecting lower prices, guys. This is what happened in the bear market. Some of these projects actually even have use cases. Some of them are actually going to be functional, but there's no more people to buy. And the truth about crypto is that the reason why the price is going up, we have more buyers than sellers. When we have more sellers than buyers, when we have more people trying to lock in their profits, the price will always go down. And right now, all coins are going down. You can see that Ethereum has the highest drawdown in the last 24 hours in the all coins, and Ethereum is the second largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization. It's barely hanging to 1,500. I don't think that will hold. At some point in time, we'll expect to get some bounce, but guys, the final end of the dump is always the hardest. You can see that in 2018 for Ethereum, that final dump that Bitcoin dumped over 50%. You can see that Ethereum dumped how many percent? Ethereum dumped over 62%. So if we're still dumping, they're still paying ahead. Bitcoin and banking difference, energy narrative, a matter of perspective. They have been this narrative about the energy usage of Bitcoin and the energy usage of legacy finance. Guys, what do you think about that? For Bitcoin to actually go mainstream, we actually have to find a way to incorporate Bitcoin into the legacy finance, and the whole Bitcoin energy talk is actually always there as FUD. So anytime they're talking about banning Bitcoin mining, the price will be affected by it. And what is the difference between centralized and decentralized digital network? What are the key differences, guys? During the bear market, you want to learn a lot of these things. You want to learn what makes the blockchain works. You want to learn how money is made. You just don't want to care about the price going up. Yes, that's what happens in the bull run. Everything goes up. During the bear market, you want to be knowledgeable. You want to know how everything works. I'll put a link in the description. This is a very, very important article for you to go through. Guys, the trending coins in the last 24 hours, we have Everdome, one of the trending coins in the last 24 hours. We have Flex, we have SafeMoon, we have Ethereum, Bitcoin, and Shiba Inu. And those are the top trending coins in the last 24 hours. Guys, we talked about Bitcoin installation last month and how it fell. Right now, it seems there's an uptick. Bitcoin ecosystem makes a U-turn recovery in global ATM installation. Halfway through 2022, the BTC ATM installation number dropped 89% by May, followed by a swift recovery in June. That's good news to see. That will help us in the coming months. Jack Dorsey is building Web 5.0 powered by Bitcoin. Jack Dorsey is saying it's actually joining Web 2.0 and Web 3.0 and is creating Web 5.0. According to him, the new project called Web 5 represents the latest Bitcoin-centric endeavor to pursue by Dorsey since stepping down as the CEO of Twitter in November 2021. Guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Guys, do you think June will be nice to us? Do you think this is just a fake dump before the massive pump we'll have in June? Or this is just the beginning of the massive dump? Drop your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. See you guys in my next video. Bye.
7, 1.